Hi everyone, welcome back to another Prepping Friday. Today we're going to make some acai bowls. I'm going to share with you how I make my acai bowls. These ones are so perfect for breakfast or even for a snack. I love them so much and they're super delicious and healthy. You have probably heard or maybe had an acai bowl before. If not, it is an ice cream creamy consistency in a bowl or even on a smoothie, and you can top it off with a lot of fruits or granola or any nuts. And one of the main ingredients is the acai berries, that it's a fruit that looks like a blueberry, but the color of it's a little bit more darker, more of like a purple colored. And one of the reasons why we can't find it fresh out here, it's because it's a native to the rainforest of the South America. So the only way that we can find it out here, it's in a frozen packet or even in a powder. Personally, I have never tried the powder. I've only tried the frozen one, which you can get them at Walmart. I get mine at Costco, but I have seen them at Walmart. I will be making mine with even more berries. I'm putting some frozen raspberries, some frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, and some frozen peaches. I also love to use the bananas frozen, but I didn't have no frozen bananas, and this is when you can decide what type of consistency you want on your acai bowls. You can make it really smooth like a smoothie, or you can make it really thick like an ice cream, really creamy consistency. And for the acai packet, I like to take it out of the freezer so it can be a little bit more liquidy. But again, here is where you can tweak the consistency of your acai. You can put it right away when you get it out of the freezer so it can be more thick. Another thing that you can do is omit the liquid. I am using some almond milk, and I prefer my acai bowls a little bit more liquid, and that's why I add more milk. But if you want a consistency that it's more thicker, don't add any type of liquid, since your acai and your frozen fruits are gonna make it more creamy. But again, if you wanted more of a liquid consistency, you can add more liquid, like any type of milk of your preference or even water. And now for the toppings, the more fun part of making an acai bowl. Here you can come up with any toppings of your preference. I am using chia seeds, granola, that I also add in some oatmeal into my jar of granola. If you add the oatmeal into the granola, it tastes so delicious. I'm also adding some cranberries, some bananas, and peaches, since those are the fruits that I did use on the bowl. And there you go, a perfect idea for breakfast, lunch, or even a treat when you are on those days that you want something super sweet but it's still healthy. An acai bowl will be perfect for those occasions. Hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like if you did. Also tag me over on Instagram if you do this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I've been saving you. You saved me too.